In this video, I'll show you how to add a client's ad account to Facebook Business Manager step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and open your business portfolio. From the dashboard, go to Business Settings, then select Accounts and choose Ad Accounts. Click Add and choose Request Access to an ad account if the ad account belongs to your client. Enter the client's ad account ID, then click Next. Select the level of access you need, such as managing campaigns or viewing performance, and send the request. Your client must approve the request from their own business portfolio. Once they approve it, the ad account will appear under your business's ad accounts, and you can work with the permissions they granted. If the client wants to give you access through their business portfolio instead, they can assign your business as a partner and share the ad account with you. Always request only the permissions you need and make sure the ad account ID is correct. That's how you can add a client's ad account to Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.